The tingles are happening. Today, we are going to try out the Polite Society Big Mouth Lip Plumping Oil Gloss. I'm nervous because look at the picture. This is instant and long lasting, and it's supercharged with blueberry oil, infinity pepper, and ginger root oil. Hence, why it's called Big. This is what it looks like. I do like the applicator because it's one that curves so it can hug your lip nicely. So here goes nothing. It smells good. Oh god. The tingling sensation is happening and I've only had this on for seconds. This isn't so bad. It's 3:45 right now. I'm gonna give it like 2-ish minutes and I'll be back to show you what my lips look like. I have had this on for 5 minutes now. It is 3:50 and it is still tingling, but I'm going to wipe it off and we're gonna see what my lips are looking like. I feel like my lips look plump. Oh my god. Those are my lips right now. So I would definitely put this on before I started doing my makeup so that way it is on for like a long time. Wipe this off and your lips are gonna be so plump. This lip plumper is no joke, but it's amazing.